empowerment to move from lack to abundance in an instant. No matter how much money you have today, abundance and lack are mental states of consciousness. If you want to change your experience of lack, it is absolutely necessary that you first change your mindset, meaning change the direction of your attention towards abundance. Without this first step, you will never get out of the energy of lack. Let's separate all the forms of deprivation that you experience today: economic, emotional, relational, health, and spiritual. All that is in your daily experience and in your mind, conscious, non-conscious, and subconscious. We erase the weaknesses of each of them and combine them with all their cumulative effect at 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We level them out so that they are all centered, balanced, and stable. We eliminate the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that lack is an unchangeable destiny, that lack is an ancestral inheritance, that the lack you experience is not your responsibility. We erase what originates from you and outside of you to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's eliminate the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that abundance is in the future, that lack comes from the past. Own your power to accept, admit, and acknowledge that abundance and lack are in the present, depending on where you direct your attention. We will strengthen your central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, tailbone, and tail. We will strengthen and increase your physical intelligence in each and every one of the cells of your body. We are going to eliminate the resistance to believe, to change, and the weakness that causes you to believe that the results are not seen instantaneously. Strong persistence, and perseverance to make the abundance mindset your lifestyle. We're going to erase the conscious, non-conscious, and subconscious programming that comes from your parents, your teachers, and your environment. Having, feeling, thinking, acting, and sharing lack. We erase the cumulative effect of age-old scarcity, limitation, and poverty. We erase the cumulative effect of never realizing that they had to change their mindset to have different experiences. We are going to erase emotions, sensations, and reactions because of that mentality of lack, of scarcity, of poverty, of limitation. We erase everything that was lost, everything that wasn't even tried, everything that was endured by this kind of mentality. We erase in you, in ancestors and descendants, in this and in other lives. We separate your mind and spirit from your body and send them to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. We're going to eliminate the cumulative effect of your mind on the quantum particles, atoms, molecules, cells, tissues, organs, systems, and structures. We remove your mind's resistance to leaving your body or your body's resistance to letting go of the mind and erase this resistance to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. We eliminate disbelief, hopelessness, negativity, passivity, disinterest, and disengagement towards your own improvement. We erase the cumulative effect of all of it: health, economy, and relationships. Let's strengthen your feeling, perceiving, and intuition to cry with gratitude for everything you do have. We are going to make you strong to thank the functioning of each of your organs and each of your systems. Strong enough to measure what your life would be like if any of them presented problems. Strong to thank that you have life if any of your organs have problems. strong enough to be grateful for the opportunity to serve Him, strong enough to be thankful that there are people who care about and want your well-being, strong enough to thank your story for all the learned lessons, strong enough to be grateful for all the opportunities you did have, all the times you were saved from negative experiences, all the times when you did progress, you did achieve, you overcame, you got out of the problem, you found yes, they helped you, yes, they loved you, yes, they forgave you, yes, they thanked you, and yes, they valued you. Strong enough to be deeply thankful for all of this. Strong enough to generate strength, motivation, enthusiasm, will, and commitment from the energy of gratitude. Strong enough to live with gratitude for everything. Strong enough to continuously expand your consciousness towards all the daily blessings you enjoy. Strong enough to train your mind, your attention, and your focus on the abundance you already experience. Strong enough to make it a life habit. Be strong in naturally and effortlessly connecting with abundance, starting with mentally programming yourself towards gratitude. Have strong gratitude for everything that happens within you and strong gratitude for everything that happens outside of you that benefits you. Be strong enough to continuously think, feel, and say thank you to the people who help us. Be greatly appreciative of all that others do for you. Be grateful from an understanding of their implications. Be strong in being generous with what you can and with what you have. Be strong in expressing generosity through words, looks, and actions. Be strong in dispensing benevolent thoughts towards yourself and others. Be strong in focusing attention on all the good, all the beautiful, and all the abundance that you already enjoy in the present. Be strong in letting go, in burying, in liberating, in becoming independent, in forgiving, in protecting, and in unconditionally forgetting the need to talk about lack, poverty, tragedy, limitation, and to share negative experiences. Strong to share joy, good humor, praise, respect, and patience. Strong to be generous with your time and energy. Strong to be generous with the services or products you offer. Strong to feel, speak, and act from abundance and generosity. Strong to trust that there is plenty for everyone. Strong to create the energetic space to receive and give in balance. Strong to be aware of the abundance you experience in the present moment. Strong to let go, erase, and release control over the future, fear, pain, suffering, lack, negative, catastrophic, and dramatic thoughts of everything bad that could happen to you. Since this is the most efficient way to create lack, we erase this need for control to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to be thankful for every person you love, to be thankful for the ability to love. Be strong to be grateful for everything life gives you for free, and be strong to give thanks for everything that costs but you can afford. Be strong to be conscious and grateful for each of your physical, mental, and spiritual abilities. Be strong to find something to be thankful for in every place, every person, and every experience. Be strong to express gratitude from quantum particles, atoms, molecules, cells, tissues, organs, systems, and structures. Be strong to express gratitude with emotions, sensations, and reactions of gratitude. Be strong to give thanks with your body, your mind, and your spirit. Be strong to give thanks for the past, the present, and the future. Be strong to thank your physical intelligence, your mental intelligence, and your spiritual intelligence. Be strong to thank yourself. Thank your mother and thank your father for the life you have today. We remove everything that affects, disturbs, disgusts, bothers, or worries you about what you don't have, what you believe you lack, what you think you can't have. We erase this to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate inherited and acquired petty, envious, jealous, malicious, and biased thought patterns with all their cumulative effect. Strong to be equal, not equal, different, not different, change, not change, perception, non-perception. We strengthen the internal and external dynamics, internal and external boundaries, and vertices of all these geometries to 100% infinite copotential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks you from seeing, feeling, and experiencing abundance. We erase weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, your mind, and your spirit. How do you feel? Abundance mindset or lack mindset?